Welcome to our channel. If you want to connect your Ring doorbell to Alexa for voice announcements and smart home integration, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Ensure your Ring doorbell is properly installed and configured using the Ring app on your smartphone. The doorbell must be connected to your Wi-Fi network and functioning correctly. Step 2. Download and open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet if you haven't already installed it. Sign in with your Amazon account credentials. Step 3. In the Alexa app, tap the More button located in the bottom right corner of the screen to access additional features and settings. Step 4. Select Skills and Games from the menu. This section allows you to add third-party integrations and smart home connections to Alexa. Step 5. Use the search bar to find the official Ring skill. Type Ring and select the skill with the Ring logo from the search results. Step 6. Tap Enable to Use on the Ring skill page. You'll be redirected to log in to your Ring account to authorize the connection between Ring and Alexa. Step 7. Enter your Ring account email address and password, then tap Authorize to grant Alexa permission to access your Ring devices. Step 8. Return to the Alexa app and tap Discover Devices, or say, Alexa, Discover Devices. Your Ring doorbell will appear in your Alexa devices list, and you can now receive doorbell notifications on Echo devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.